Well, I'm in the process here of developing a new symbol, a grass-like symbol in GCAD+, and I'd like to use it to illustrate the value of polylines, especially closed polyline. This green arching leaf is what I'm trying to recreate, and notice that it's one entity. The blue handles along here are the vertices of a single polyline. It's closed and has a fill. So we're creating a complex leaf shape very, very easily. Let's illustrate how that's done and in the process show you a little about how easy it is to edit a polyline. If we pick this entity here, it's an arc, and notice the value of the grips that are on it and a little indicator indicating the direction of the arc. And there's another one. If I zoom in here, you can see at the end that the two arcs don't meet, and we won't be able to close a polyline until we make the ends meet. And the simple and very easy way to do it in GCAD Plus works really easily. Just click on the, don't click, move your mouse cursor over one of them, hold the left button down and just drop it on the other. Now there's just one single end point. We do need a new arc here, so we can hit escape, draw an arc. A 3-point arc I think will work. So we'll start our arc on the center there. The midpoint can be somewhere there and the end point at that point. So we now have that arc, now another arc, another. So we have 3 arcs. Now one clever hack is these 2 arcs color 75, which matches that one. So if we pick those 2 colored arcs first, and remember they have a congruent point at the end, so they should be able to be joined. You can only join a polyline when there are no gaps. But this first one is just drawn by the foreground color, and we can click it because we picked the green line first, and we're going to join the new arc to it. We can just join. Now when we pick it, there's a single entity, and all we need to do is fill it. I'd like to change its layer to the plant symbol layer, but that's a story for another day. So we're developing this symbol and making it stand out a little more. We're not adding to the file size at all. File size is very small, only 10 kilobytes, so that's going to work very, very quickly in any GCAD Plus environment. So I'll go on and work through that. But let's pick it again. Let's imagine that if we pick it again, we'll take fill off. I want to show you that you can edit a polyline very easily. Let's imagine in this area we wanted to change our curve radius. If you move your mouse over one of these handles, you can add a vertex. Just let your mouse hover over a grip and insert a vertex. Now we can move that vertex along. We could insert another one if we wanted to and move it along. So can you see I can get much more organic shapes. That wobbles a bit, that line there, which is in fact what we're after. So now we can fill it. That wasn't a terribly good demonstration of how easy it is to edit a polyline, but there will be other occasions when you're tracing around part of a design to create, say, a fill for a lawn, where you will want to edit the vertices, you want to add them and move them around. And that polyline entity is such a versatile tool that I think it's well worth experimenting with it.